Look at this, guys. In the spring here in England, there's so many beautiful flowers that I've never seen before. And look at these tiny little petals. Beautiful. And it's in the bush. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Amazing, the nature. And the spring, it make it the nature blooming. And there's other one here as well. The other one here as well, guys. It's pink, ruby pink, and again full full of full of blossom flowers. And again it's all here in the wild plant. I don't know what is this called, but so amazing in the spring, when the spring comes, and it's lots of beautiful colorful flowers. Beautiful, lots of it, lots of them, beautiful.